Good morning, YouTube. It is Wednesday, May 12th, 2026. I'm getting ready to shave my beard here. Then I'm going to head off to the theme park, Epcot today. We're doing a full day at Epcot, so I'm getting ready for that. Just wanted to say that I'm really happy, first off, to be back. We're back to making the videos at the park, so welcome back. First time since coming back from London. It feels like it's been a while since I've been there, but it's honestly good to be back. However, this is not the type of video I wanted to think I was going to make. Normally I do videos of upcoming ride closures and stuff all the time, but I just wanted to say that unfortunately we have some bad news. You know that show, the show that plays at Magic Kingdom, Let the Magic Begin, with the characters on stage, as you know, was temporarily suspended in late January of this year. I think it was January 28, 2026, to get ready for the castle painting and refurbishment. They were doing an audio-only version for the time being until the renovation was done. But recently, I found out that, according to what Disney says, which was confirmed by Disney, even after the painting is going to be done, which it is almost done, by the way, impressive. It says here, so far the audio-only show has been doing well. It's been performing since the characters came on stage during the renovation, but I found out that, unfortunately, they've officially retired Let the Magic Begin at Magic Kingdom. It seems that the page to confirm that, even when it was removed, and it was supposed to just be a temporary modification, but now, unfortunately, Disney has confirmed that this is a permanent change. Let the Magic Begin will remain audio only going forward. Yeah, not the best thing. This is how I feel about it. Let me pull up this facepalm meme. Hang on, a stupid ad. Let me show you this facepalm meme.
She's a gun. And if you don't, I'll shoot the dame. All right. Bravo.
Okay, guys, gotta find it.
Frank?
Let me find the facepalm meme. Here it is. Yeah, that's how honestly I feel about the situation. That was a great show. I loved going there, particularly for that show. I loved experiencing that before the park opened. I thought it was going to be back in time before the July, but now it's unfortunately retired. I am very disappointed. I'm frustrated, but there's nothing much I can do about it. So, R.I.P. to such a great show. So, for the rest of this year, going forward, I will still show the version before the park opens, but before that, I'll be showing pre-recorded footage of the original version for the rest of the year. Then I'll retire from the videos entirely and show the new version going forward. So thanks for watching this video. I gotta get ready to go. Stay up, keep subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.